As the much-awaited 18th Amendment to the Constitution seems set to sail through the Senate, in Hazara, locals are burying their dead. The anger and resentment against the renaming of the Northwest Frontier Province is palpable on the streets of Hazara. Mobs have almost taken over Haripur, Aptabad and Mansehra, blocking roads and damaging public and private property during protests that have raged on for the past 3 days. The renaming of the NWFP as Khyber-Pakhtunkhwa has gone down badly in the Hazara region, and there appears to be a genuine grassroots dissent against a name that the non-Pakhtun Hindko-speaking population of the region does not identify with. Many are saying that political parties are trying to capitalize on the discontent for their own political gains. NWFP Information Minister Mia Iftikhar Hussain has accused PMLQ leaders of adding fuel to the fire regarding the issue of renaming the province.
चौधरी शुजात साहब का आना और बजाय इसके कि वो आग पे पानी डालता उन्होंने उस पे तेल डाला और उसने लोगों को उकसाया और फिर रहा सहा काम जो है गौहर अयूब वहां पे बैठ के मुसलसल आग बरसा रहे हैं अपने मुंह से.
Meanwhile, it seems that the PMLQ has begun to concentrate its efforts on creating another province.
Small is beautiful. छोटी चीज़ खूबसूरत होती है और उसमें ये होगा कि जो लोगों के हकूक़ हैं वो सेफ गार्ड होंगे. हज़ारे की रिसोर्सेज बहुत हैं. दरिया सिंध है, दरिया झेलम है, दरिया कुनर है और इस तरह हमारे जंगलात हैं, हमारे मिनरल्स हैं, हमारा एग्रीकल्चर है, हमारी टूरिज्म है, हमारी इंडस्ट्री है. इससे ये बेहतरीन सूबा बनेगा, सेल्फ सफिशिएंट सूबा बनेगा.
Salim Saifullah from the PMLQ like-minded group and Senator Gauhar Ayub have decided to move an amendment in the Senate demanding that Hazara be made a separate province. It seems that the 18th Amendment has opened up a Pandora's box when it comes to provincial autonomy. And with senators from FATA demanding that the region be renamed to Kabilistan, it could be a while before the issue of renaming and naming regions is resolved. Sophia Saifi, DawnNews.